This poor little cat was just trying to go to school. But the rich cats? They laughed at his old clothes and empty backpack. He felt ashamed. He wanted to cry. He had no money, no fancy clothes, just a dream to be better. So he got a job, day and night, cleaning, lifting, never complaining. Weeks passed. His paws were sore, but his heart, stronger than ever. Then payday came, and with his first money, he bought new clothes. The next morning, he walked into school, confident, proud, transformed. The rich cats were speechless. They couldn't believe it, because it's not about where you start. It's about how hard you're willing to fight for where you're going. If this touched your heart, drop a heart in the comments and hit subscribe. Your glow up is coming too.